Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, braking assist. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.